Hey guys, welcome back. I got a quick experiment today. I want to try to quiet my air conditioner. It has this horrible rattle, so that's the first thing I want to get rid of. And I think maybe we'll do a part 2 to this, and next we'll do a compressor blanket and see if that quiets it down anymore. Okay guys, here we are at the air conditioner. You could see when I was messing with it when it was on. I'll put that clip up here again. You could see that there's a loud rattle noise to it, and I think it's coming from this top, and you can hear it click, and it has that loud ringing noise to it when it gets going really fast. And there's the same over here behind you in the camera view. So I've got my plumbing washers here. All I'm going to do is try to find a thin one and maybe try to wedge it in right in here, just to give it a little dampening. Now I don't want to do it all the way around because I don't know if this makes a ground connection or anything like that, but I can definitely, let me move it around a little bit. You can definitely see it right there in the opposite end. This over here with the camera, sorry I'm shaking you, is pretty tight, so I'm going to work on these two. Alright guys, I got those in there, and they're just providing that dampening. It's still loud. I'm not really sure where it's coming from yet. But you know, I guess part 2, maybe I'll do part 2 and put a blanket on the compressor down in there. But this is just to try to get rid of that rattle first. But yeah, my goal is to get this whole AC unit quieted down. It's an old Trane unit. There's the details for you if you want to see an XB100, but still works great, still cools down the house great, but just noisy as all get out. That may have something to do with it too. Look at that. Let's see what we can do with that. That really needs clean too. Let's just slide a couple under there. See if we can reduce it. We'll come back in the heat of the day and come out here and take some video and see if that's done anything at all. Again, just these two and these two. Okay guys, it's about 2 p.m. The height of the day just kicked on. Wow, that is actually much quieter. It's amazing how much that rattle was causing. Alright, I think that's going to be the end of part 1. I still got a tiny rattle here. But it's so much better. So much better. You know, I actually built this kind of fence around it just to try to keep it quieter. But yeah, that rattle's definitely gone. The rattle I had before. At least extremely minimized. Alright guys, I think that's just going to wrap it up for this one. Just a quick part 1. I think next we'll go into that compressor and see if we can get a compressor blanket and quiet that down even more. That may be our part 2 on this one. So anyway, guys, that's it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.